How to remesh a fly screen window. Welcome to another Starline Security instructional video. Customers often ask when you're doing the check measure if existing insect screen can be remeshed to the same style of mesh, or if we can remesh with a different insect screen type. Insect screens are almost always supplied with standard insect mesh. However, at Starline Security, we have a wide range of options to suit every situation. In this video, we'll demonstrate the remesh process on a small insect screen. We're also changing this one to a sandfly mesh. This mesh's strands are slightly thicker, but are much closer together, resulting in much smaller holes than our standard insect mesh. A great option if you live close to the beach or are allergic to sandflies. Access our website to know more about insect mesh types. Before removing the screen, check if you need to remove blinds or shutters. Carefully remove the blinds or any other obstacles before removing the screen. We demonstrate in 7 steps the remeshing process. Step 1. Remove the old spline. You can reuse it if it's still pliable. Step 2. With a cloth, clean the window frame to remove any dust and debris. Step 3. Cut the sandfly screen to measure. The trick is to cut the width and drop with enough mesh overlap for the spline to roll in. Note, Starline Security offers 2 options for ordering insect mesh. You can order cut mesh to size or buy the entire roll. Step 4. Lay the mesh onto the window frame and square before inserting the spline. It will not look nice if the mesh is off-center. Step 5. Insert spline from the corner using a roller, applying pressure for a tight fit. Carefully fit the corners. Step 6. With a Stanley knife, trim off the excess on all sides. Step 7. Reinstall the lift tab, measuring the frame to install it as center as you can. Use the roller to secure the lift tab. Step 8. Reinstall the fly screen and remember to use the same method you used to remove it. There you go, another Starline Security video. To become a Starline Security Dealer, access our website www.starlinesecurity.net.au.